Hello everyone, welcome back to YS CareerAcademy, your trusted guide for education and career updates. Today we have an important announcement for all law aspirants in Telangana. So the Telangana TS Lawcet counseling notification has just been released, and I am here to walk you through all the key details. So as per the latest update, the TS Lawcet 2026 counseling notification will be issued on 26 June. So this notification is crucial for students who appeared for the Telangana State Law Common Entrance Test and are now waiting to secure admission into the law colleges. So with this notification, I just want to let you know the eligibility and the complete counseling process. So coming to the eligibility criteria, only candidates who qualified in the TS Lawcet 2026 exam are eligible to participate in this particular counseling process. And coming to the notification release date, the official counseling notification will be released on June 26. So all the dates related to counseling will be released on June 26. Okay. So next, the counseling process, like the counseling activities will officially begin from July 2 in the Telangana. And for the fee payment, students must pay the counseling fee online before certificate verification itself. So and also keep your payment receipt very safe. And coming to the document verification process, after your fee payment, candidate has to upload all the required documents in the official website. Okay, based on that the document verification will happen. And next, web options entry. So once verification is completed, you can log in and select your preferred colleges and courses online. Okay, so online only we need to select the required, like the preferred colleges. And next one is seat allotment. So seats will be allotted based on the merit and preferences and the reservation rules as per the Telangana state guidelines. Okay, so as per the rules only you will get seat in the respective college. So after seat allotment, candidates can proceed with admission into LLB offered by universities or any affiliate colleges. Okay, yeah, that's all for today's update on the TS Lawcet 2026 counseling process. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to YS Career Academy for more educational updates and career updates. So stay tuned and best of luck for your law admission. Thank you. Thanks for watching.